Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I totally love pizza night. And thanks to this KitchenStar pizza cutter, that pizza can get in my belly quicker. I find it to be so much faster and easier to use than the traditional wheel style pizza cutter. Because it is one long straight piece of metal and we only do one cut, it's much easier to get straight lines and to get even slices with our pizza. I think the simple curved metal handle in this pizza cutter is really easy to hold, and I also think that it makes it easy to apply pressure to get that perfect cut. I love baking and making sweets, but one thing that I have always hated doing is cutting them up. This cutter makes it a breeze for me, and it also helps me to get more uniformly shaped and sized squares. There's absolutely not a hint of struggling involved in cutting up these treats, and it creates really even, clean cuts and edges. This KitchenStar pizza cutter is good for so much more than cutting pizza. I just know that I'm going to be using it in so many ways. And that's my point of view.